Making money online used to feel complicated. Too many skills, too much competition, and too many confusing tools. But 2025 changed the game. These AI platforms can help you earn $100 per day through freelancing, content creation, automation, and digital products. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. ChatGPT, your partner for freelancing and content creation. ChatGPT remains the most versatile AI tool for making money online in 2025. It can write articles, create marketing copy, produce scripts, brainstorm business ideas, and even generate customer support responses. Beginners can use ChatGPT to offer freelance services like blog writing, product descriptions, social media captions, and YouTube scripts. With clear prompts and simple editing, you can deliver high-quality content that clients love. Many freelancers easily earn $50 to $150 per project by using ChatGPT to speed up their workflow. If you take just 2 small orders per day, you're already at $100. The best part is that you don't need to be a professional writer. ChatGPT handles most of the work. You just polish the tone and deliver it on time. 2. Canva AI. Create high-quality designs in minutes. Canva has always been popular, but in 2025, its AI features made it one of the easiest income tools online. Canva's AI can create full social media posts, logos, thumbnails, flyers, posters, and business branding within seconds. If you're new to design, this is the perfect starting point. You can sell templates on Etsy, offer logo design gigs on Fiverr, or produce YouTube thumbnail for creators. Some people even build monthly packages where clients pay them $200 to $500 to manage all their visuals. Because Canva does the heavy lifting, you only need basic creativity and simple editing skills. With consistency, reaching $100 a day becomes surprisingly achievable. 3. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into short viral clips. Short-form video is dominating every platform. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and creators are desperate for editors who can repurpose their long videos. Opus Clip uses AI to automatically identify the best clips, add captions, crop the video perfectly, and produce social media-ready shorts. This makes it ideal for beginners who don't know how to edit videos manually. Just upload a podcast episode, YouTube video, or long interview, and Opus Clip does everything for you. Many freelancers now charge $10 to $30 per clip, and creators often order 10 to 20 clips at a time. If you secure just 2 clients who need weekly short videos, you can earn more than $100 a day with minimal effort. 4. Midjourney. Generate high-income AI art and visual assets. Midjourney continues to dominate the AI art world in 2025. It can create hyper-realistic images, product mock-ups, book covers, animations, and branding visuals. You don't need any drawing or design skills, just clear text prompts. This tool is especially powerful for selling digital products. You can create wall art, printable posters, coloring books, concept art, character designs, or even custom t-shirt graphics. Many Etsy shops generate hundreds of dollars per day from Midjourney art because the production cost is almost zero. You can also take commissions for custom images, charging $20 to $100 per piece. Once you master prompting, the income potential grows endlessly. 5. Notion AI. Manage businesses and build digital products. Notion AI is more than a note-taking app. In 2025, it evolved into a tool that helps beginners create sellable digital systems. You can build planners, templates, business dashboards, habit trackers, and productivity systems that customers buy on Etsy or Gumroad. Notion AI can generate the structure, layout, explanation text, and workflow inside each template. This makes digital product creation extremely simple. You can also use Notion AI to manage content calendars, automate client work, and organize freelance projects. Some creators earn over $100 a day just from selling Notion templates. Because templates are digital, you only build them once and earn repeatedly. True passive income. 6. Descript. Simple AI audio and video editing for beginners. Descript makes editing audio and video almost effortless. Instead of cutting clips manually, Descript uses AI to edit by text. You simply delete sentences or filler words in the transcript, and the video updates automatically. This makes it perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and freelancers offering editing services. Beginners can use Descript to edit podcasts, remove background noise, polish voiceovers, or create clean, simple videos. Podcasters will often pay $50 to $150 per episode for editing help. If you edit just 2 episodes per day, you can easily hit the $100 mark. Descript also lets you create overdubs and AI voice effects, giving you even more creative services to offer. 7. Copy.ai, AI marketing assistant for businesses. Copy.ai is one of the most powerful tools for generating marketing content quickly. It helps beginners create sales emails, add copy, website content, landing pages, and social media campaigns. Businesses desperately need this kind of content, and they are willing to pay good money for it. You don't need experience. Just follow the templates and refine the text. Copy.ai can help you start a small marketing service offering monthly content support for local businesses. Even one client paying $300 to $500 per month is enough to generate daily earnings. With 2 or 3 clients, you can comfortably make $100 every day in recurring income. 8. Seller Assistant AI. Find profitable Amazon products fast. For beginners wanting to make money with Amazon FBA or online arbitrage, Seller Assistant AI became a game changer in 2025. It analyzes products, calculates profits, checks demand, tracks competition, and helps you make smart buying decisions automatically. Before AI tools, Amazon selling required hours of manual research. Now you can scan product with your phone and instantly see which items can make you money. Many Amazon beginners earn $100 a day by finding a few profitable products and selling consistently. Seller Assistant AI removes guesswork, reduces risk, and gives beginners the confidence to start Amazon selling with much less stress. 9. Synthesia. Create AI videos without filming yourself. Synthesia lets you create full professional videos using AI avatars and voiceovers. You don't need a camera, microphone, or studio. This makes it perfect for people who want to make money anonymously. You can create explainer videos, training content, marketing videos, or faceless YouTube videos. Many businesses pay $50 to $300 for short informational videos. You can also use Synthesia to build entire YouTube channels focused on finance, motivation, tech, or education. Because production is fully automated, you can upload multiple videos per week and quickly start generating revenue. For beginners who don't want to show their face, this is one of the easiest paths to consistent income. 10. Flick AI. Automate social media growth and content ideas. Flick AI is built for social media creators. It generates trend-based content ideas, captions, hashtags, and even full post schedules. If you manage social media for clients or want to start your own page, Flick AI saves hours of planning. Many beginners build small social media management packages for $150 to $400 per client. All you need to do is generate ideas, schedule posts, and share basic analytics. Flick AI does most of the heavy work. Your job is simply to organize and deliver. With 3 or 4 clients, earning $100 a day becomes extremely realistic. This tool is ideal for beginners who enjoy being creative online. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.